Ginebra still has a chance with 11.8 seconds to go. Missed the second. And it will be last touch on Jared Dillon. Oh wait, we'll have a review. We'll have a review with 11 seconds remaining.
Well, lucky for Ginebra, because now they have some time to talk things over.
It's a free timeout.
So this is that play, John Wilson. Dillinger had the right idea to try and crash the boards.
So it will be Ginebra basketball. They're down by 2. Aguilar, Tenorio, J.R. Reyes, Mark Tagiwa, and Mac Barakael. Here's L.A. Tenorio, 9 seconds to go. Tenorio has the ball. Ginebra down by 2. Tenorio still has it. Tenorio over to Japet. Japet fires. Got it! And that's how you jump it like it's hot. 3-point shot brought to you by PLDT MyDSL, the #1 home broadband, and that shot was for the win.
This is that play, Tenorio. Good defense by Anjo Karam, closing the door, and then Japet Aguilar looking at the clock, knowing how much time he has, knocking down that 3-point shot. He did it once, he does it again.
Over Reyna Lugdatan, and Reyna has been pushing him all night long.
Maybe this is the one time that if you're Lugdatan, you didn't want to push him outside the 3-point area.
Here's another look. I know Ginebra fans can look at this like 1,000 times over and over and over, and Japet drops it like it's hot with a 3 for the win, and sending the crowd here inside the Mall of Asia Arena into jubilant euphoria. Here's that 3-pointer again. Yes, sir. And fans loving it. Ginebra was down by 2, and Japet Aguilar gave them a 3 in the win.
With no timeouts left, Barangay Ginebra still finding a way to win this ball game with pretty much a buzzer beater from the 3-point area by Japet Aguilar.